Hey, welcome, and thank you for joining me in this little exploration of the Service High Computer Science pathway. So we're one of the only high schools that has a computer science pathway, and this little graphic here has some of our course, all of our current course offerings. And as you can see, you could take computer science almost every year of your high school career if you wanted to. The more entry-level classes are up towards the top, more intermediate to advanced classes are down at the bottom. I'm just going to highlight a few of these. I want you guys to visit robotmoose.org, and you'll find this graphic and a bunch of other information about the classes. But just to hit some highlights, we've got 3D animation and modeling. It's a great course. Allows you to learn how to use a sophisticated piece of software called Blender. It's really art intensive. There's little technical aspects to it. It's kind of fun. It's very hands-on, and you're basically creating 3D objects, and then later we start animating those objects. So game design and development. This one is also a great semester-long intro to computer science. If you're at all interested in coding, this is a great course to get into because we do some C# coding, a very user-friendly language. We're really focused on using Unity, a piece of software to create some 3D games. So making some interactive games, tweaking them, playing them, creating user interfaces, all of that stuff. Very hands-on as well. A good intro into coding. APCSP, at Computer Science Principles. This is perhaps the best introduction course. It's a year-long, so it's a bit of a commitment. It does offer a year's worth of elective credit, but it really is a great survey of how computer science intersects with just about everything we do. We'll get a solid foundation in the programming language Python. We'll be looking at big data, data visualization. We'll dip into cybersecurity. We'll dip into human-computer interaction, all very hands-on. Some projects here and there scattered throughout. And unlike other AP courses, most of the work is done in the class, during class meetings. And like other AP courses, if you take the exam, score well, you can get college credit and receive a weighted grade. So not a bad deal there. Cybersecurity, next on our list. This is also a year-long elective course. It uses a Project Lead the Way curriculum, so it's also very hands-on, very project-based, and we basically start off exploring how to secure a personal computer, and then we start getting into more scenarios where we're looking at trying to protect a water facility for a city. We're looking at how to do vulnerability scans. We learn how to do something called penetration testing. We basically are learning what the black hat hackers are doing in order to be an ethical hacker and secure systems and keep systems secure from people. In the last unit, really fun stuff. We actually branch out a bit and get into some digital forensics and cryptography, which students generally really enjoy. The last academic class on our list is Advanced Placement Computer Science A, or APCSA. This is the tried and true, like coding. If you want to code, this is a year-long deep dive where we immerse ourselves in Java programming. It's fun. It's like all computer science classes, very hands-on. We're coding every day pretty much. We learn about object-oriented programming and all of the things that kind of come with it. Also, because it is a computer science course, most of that work we do in an AP class, but it's really done in class, right? And there is an exam you can take and get some college credit and get a weighted grade as well. So the last opportunity, it's not a class per se, but we do place students through the ASD Career and Tech Ed department. If you're a junior or senior and you're interested in going and actually interning for a local company or organization that does information technology, you can get placed and earn an elective credit. So definitely reach out if you're interested in that. You reach out to me, Devin Roberts. You could reach out to your counselor, and we can get you hooked up with that kind of information. So thanks for your time and attention. I sure hope you end up choosing to explore one or many of these courses while you're here at Service High School.